Welcome to my YouTube channel as available. Please subscribe. Meet my new friends Stella and Ricky. Hello guys, meet my new friends Stella and Ricky. This is her name. His name is Ricky. He's a boy, and the other one is Stella. So you can recognize it, the colors. So Ricky is darker than Stella. Stella is lighter than Ricky, the color of their feathers. So hi, and these are their cage. Now they're outside because they want to play, and look at this inside the cage. Inside the cage you have water. And they are very kind. They're not going outside anymore. They are not biting you. They just only staying on the top of the cage, and look at their hair standing. They are so cute. Say hi, Stella and Ricky. How are you? How's your day? Huh? And these are their foods. Look at their food. They're eating this kind of food. After they eat, they'll drink water. They're eating like sunflowers and a little with seeds of, I think it's a squash. And the small seeds, I don't know what's their name. So now look at them still there on the top of the cage. Just play. I wanna. Look, Ricky. Say hi, Ricky. And hi, Stella. Stella, she's so pretty. These are my friend birds. Hi, Stella. Here on my shoulder. Hi. Her name is Stella. The Ricky is crying also. She feels jealous. Say hi. Jealous. Stella, say hi. Her name is Stella.
That's Stella.
That's Stella.
It's Stella. Hello, Stella.
Say hi. Stella, say hi.
She doesn't know yet.
Hi, Stella. Are you pretty? Where's your husband?
He's in the toilet.
It's in the toilet. Oh, that's why. She felt jealous. She made tweet, tweet, tweet. Where's your husband, Stella? Where? Say hi, Stella. Look, look. Oh, you're very cute. Look at her face. Why are... Ricky, come here. Come here. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe as available. Just hit the button and you can share it also with to your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.